Yeah, hello everybody, and in last video you can see that we had some program like this that had a quit button, and that when we click it, it quits the program. So today we'll learn how to open a window inside another window, what we call top level. So you can see that we have a top level button here, create a variable top level button here. When we click it, it opens a new window, right? Let's see how to make it today. So in order to get started, let me just delete this top level variable and the function tool and create a new top level variable again here. Let me call it a new window button. As we already know that's top level, let me just call it top level button. Top level button equals button root dot destroy. Now it's gotta be new window function. Let me just create a new window function here, which we'll call a top level. And let us pack it on the screen. Dot pack. We need to put a side of it because it's gotta be, but I think we may put some pair y of 25. Pair y, and it's a little bit down. Here, let us give a name to our new window. New, or let's call it top equals this thing, and whereas top level button, it's gotta be the first thing we do when we call this function. Top level button dot state equals disabled. Top equals top level, and let us run it one more time. Here we have it's gotta be state equals disabled. Do we get any exception in here? No. What if we say root dot attributes let me just delete it and say root dot attributes disabled equals true, which will make the root disabled after you open the main top level. Tkinter app has no attributes. Root attributes a double T root attributes. So you can see that we cannot click it anymore. We cannot even work with any widget in the main root here until we close the new top level. And after closing the top level, we can see that it's still disabled. So in order to remove that, we'll need to create a, what will it be? Top. We can create a button here by writing top.protocol, which will be wm delete window, call a new function that will be refresh. Let us call it refresh. And in the refresh function here, define refresh function, and root.attributes will be, the disabled will be false after we can see that we cannot click the main window right now, but when we close the top level, we didn't put top level dot destroy here. You put top dot destroy function. We open our top level from here, and when we click it, we can see that now we can click. Let me just iconify the Visual Studio window so that we can see what happens here. We got a main top level window in here, and let us when we click it, when we kill the top level window, we can see that now we're able to work with the main window, our root window. But when it's open, we cannot do anything else inside the window menu here. So let me just close it and quit. That's pretty much all. That's pretty much all that I have to tell you about Tkinter Toplevels, and I'll see you in the next video, which I'll be talking about how to fully customize your window with Tkinter.